It's traditional to take your shoes off in Japan before you enter. We're staying at the Ryokan here in Kyoto, Japan. This is our room. We're going to take you on a brief tour, but first I need to get dressed. Welcome to our room. Okay, here we have our traditional beds here. So these are futons on top of tatami mats. The mats are pretty comfortable and soft. You could lay on them, but we have the futons and our very comfortable blankets. This is where we would eat. You have to sit on the floor practically, but there's a little pillow that you can sit on. And here, let me show you what these things are. Oh. We have little cookies. Matcha flavored, I think. Let me put those back in there. And then these are towels to clean your hands. You already know what those look like. And then this, I think, is just a coaster. I think this is an air unit by the AC. It's all in Japanese, so I can't read it. We have a TV. And we have some closets. Right now. More closets. This outfit is called yukata. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's traditional in Ryokan to wear these. Well, you can wear it to dinner. You can wear it while at the Ryokan. I believe you can wear it on the street, but I wouldn't feel comfortable with that. So we're just wearing it in here and when we go downstairs. And then we have our bathroom. They have slippers for when you go into this bathroom. So we got a bidet, and almost every toilet that we see in Japan has a bidet. You can do a front cleaning, you could do a back cleaning, to not get specific. It's great. I think everybody needs a bidet. Bidets are important. Protect all bidets.
Hashtag protect all bidets.
we need bidets. This is a shower. You can take baths in here. You can also, when you're in here, you can fill this up with water. When you're cleaning yourself, you can sit here. You can fill this up with water and then dump it on your head. And there's soap and there's shampoo and conditioner. And you can drain it. And there you go. There's also a drain here for when you're washing yourself out in the bathroom. So that's the bathroom. Okay, this is voiceover Sean here. A little background here. We're eating here at the hotel, and this is our menu, Kyoto Kiseki cuisine. We started off with some sake. It was supposed to be like fruity, but it wasn't really fruity. It was just tasted like straight sake. So we had like we were kind of surprised there. It was fine. It just wasn't what we were expecting. Yeah, we continue on to our green bean tofu with sea urchin. It was surprisingly tart. That's a strong flavor. Like salty, almost. It's very strong. Next, we had our main course dishes, which were ordered by number, and I was struggling to figure out which one was which.
This is number 9 is simmer sweet and salty octopus. I love octopus.
But there were some hits, and there were some things that I did not know what I was eating. This is a wooden bamboo shoot, or wood bamboo shoot, and it was crunchy, very crunchy. There was two different ones that were kind of like deep fried, and then we moved on to the main course, and that was for me turtle, and for Christina it was beef.
We each got 2 different hot pots. I got a beef and vegetable, and Sean got turtle, y'all. And vegetable. He had to Google how long he should cook his turtle in a hot pot because he doesn't know. So we'll see if he likes it in a second. So look, all you do is you put your food in the hot pot, and I got sauce. You take noodles. This, and take it back. It's hot. It's hot. Good, so good. Yummy. We also got like a crab or seafood rice.
I'm not confident I'm doing anything right. Oh, the broth is so good. I'm afraid to try the turtle, but I'll try it. It's really flavorful, but like really soft and gooey, which makes me feel like it's raw. But I don't know. It's good. It tastes very soft.
But like other meat,
you ever had crocodile?
Yes.
Yeah, kind of like that, I guess.
So to me, crocodile tastes like wet. Like crocodile tastes like it lives in the ocean.
Yeah.
That's what that tastes like.
Kind of.
Not the ocean.
It's like, but it's also, I don't know, maybe I overcooked it because it's so soft.
I told you.
It's so soft that it just like dissolves. No. Well, I'm eating a brain.
You must like it.
Yeah, if I knew what I was doing. If I knew what I was doing. I'd want to know like the best way to prepare it.
So if y'all know the best way to prepare turtle, drop it in the comments.
I gotta be rude. There's no way I could eat all this. It's not bad. It's just so many different things. I don't know what I'm eating. Like, I'm scared.
Oh, we have tofu.
Yeah, but I don't know what this is.
We'll take a bite.
It looks like mochi. It kind of tastes like mochi, but I don't know. It's a skill issue.
Use it.
The broth though, amazing. I could drink this broth all day.
You are drinking it. Show y'all. So strawberry. I feel like that is matcha. I could be completely wrong. And there's like some rice crispy-esque type. And then a cream and strawberries. Yummy.
I got like some coffee ice cream in the middle.
Maybe a mochi at the bottom.
I think maybe there might be matcha too.
No, you don't see those
In
balls?
in the second to last layer, maybe. It's good. I'm gonna devour this whole thing. Voiceover Sean here again, back at it again. So this is our second day at the Japanese Ryokan. We're starting our day off with the kaiseki, dining experience. So we had a bunch of different things on our dish. Christina's going to try the salmon with the rice as a side. So we kind of mix and match the rice with everything. There was Napa cabbage, there was green beans with mashed tofu dressing, there was simmered cognac dried bonito, there was seaweed, of course, and this is just us showing you some of the restaurant. Christina's having some tea. And then for dessert, we had strawberries and our choice of coffee, tea, or juice. And you could see Christina got all of the above. And I got coffee and strawberries. So we've reached the end of our stay in Kyoto, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week, we'll be doing another video on the other experiences in Kyoto. So I hope you follow along and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.